Hey everybody, I want to tell you about this particular beach. This is Deer Creek Beach. We are in Ventura County, just a little bit into Ventura County from Los Angeles County. The LA county line is about 1.5 miles south of us right now. We're on Pacific Coast Highway. And this is Deer Creek Beach. This is called Deer Creek Beach because it's Deer Creek right up here to the left. And this is a really interesting beach. This used to be not a well-known beach, kind of a hidden pocket beach, but in COVID this became super popular. So right now we're recording this on Saturday at about 6 o'clock, late May. So a lot of the cars have left. So right now there's a van here, there's a car back there, there's 3 cars back there. So when we drove up, I counted 11 vehicles parked here, which would be a typical number of visitors to this little teeny tiny beach in most years. But now, or in the pandemic, it became super popular. So I counted over 170 cars here at one time during the pandemic when people were desperate to get to the beach. Now, it's still heavier than before, but things are dying back down a little bit in terms of visitation. So we can see from this particular beach is right now, if we look down at the beach, what we can see is it is a relatively high tide. It's about a plus 3.2 feet right now, meaning the average height of the ocean is about 3.2 feet above the mean high water line. And this is relatively high. So this is a relatively high level of water, and in this case, a relatively high level of water relative to the toe, relative to the riprap. This whole area, this whole stretch of the coast along the Pacific Coast Highway is revetted, is augmented with structures to prevent the beach from moving inland. So we have a bunch of giant boulders, a bunch of giant rocks that exist to break up the wave energy and not let the wave energy eat away at the road. And right now we can see how narrow this particular beach is, right? So I'm a little bit over 6 feet tall, and if I were to lay down, there'd maybe 2 or 3 of me to the water line, but as you can see right now, the water is getting to right about here. So if I were to lay down, that's just about one of my body lengths, or in some cases there is no body length, and the water is hitting right at the toe, right at the bottom of the rocks. So in some cases we have big, broad, flat beaches that extend for a long ways. In other places we have these little teeny tiny pocket beaches. This would be one of those pocket beaches in terms of that spectrum of large to small. This area is hard to access, so you need to come in a car or in a bike or what have you. There's not a nearby bus stop, so it's kind of hard to get here. There is one about 1 mile or so down that you could walk up, but pretty much people are going to get here through their vehicles. This is also, it's not massive, so you're not going to come here with a big, 100 people and have a big giant party or something. So this tends to be more isolated. And then if we look out to the shore out here, we can see, as I avoid getting super wet, we can see the giant kelp stands out here. So this is also a wonderful, so this rockiness that we see here actually extends out and naturally extended out. And we have a large kelp bed offshore in this particular location, which is great. That kelp, in addition to being fantastic habitat for the critters that live there, actually helps this beach be where it is. It helps dampen some of the wave energy that comes in to this particular beach. So small beach, relatively isolated. You can easily pass by it if you don't know where you're looking and driving on PCH. So this is typically more of like a hidden gem type of a beach. This is Deer Creek Beach in Malibu, and a pretty cool spot. The last thing I'll say right here is that this is also just recently part of an acquisition. The land around us is part of an acquisition. So this is now a new unit of the Park Service. But there were significant plans over the past several decades to turn this area into a giant marina, private homes and a giant a place where you could park your boat and bring your boats up and do that kind of stuff here. Thankfully, it's saved. It was formerly known as the Mansdorf Property, now referred to as Deer Creek Property. But this area is free and available for everyone to enjoy. So the development pressure that was facing this region for several decades has recently been lifted thanks to the efforts of a lot of conservationists, employees working for the public good, and keeping public access to beaches on the forefront of our mind. So even though it's narrow at times, it's still here and it's still your resource, Deer Creek Beach.